Hello everyone, I am a student from Bina Sarana Informatika Campus. My name is Indra Arfa Derango Tarigan and my name is 6425014. And today I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed in the campus area. The reason is simple. Smoking can disturb other people and make the environment unhealthy. Many students do not smoke, but they still have to breathe the smoke from others. That is not fair for them. Campus is a place to study and learn, not a place to smoke. We come to campus to get knowledge, and to focus, and to build a better future. If some people smoke around the class or the hallway, it can make others uncomfortable and offensive. I believe the university should make it a strict rule to keep our campus smoke free. Maybe there can be a special smoking area from the classroom, so smokers can still smoke without disturbing anyone. In conclusion, smoking in the campus area is not a good idea. Let's respect each other and keep our campus clean, healthy, and safe for everyone. And that's all for my opinion. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone, back to my second video part 2, which aims to create a presentation video. My presentation takes the themes of question words. Okay, slide 2 has an introduction. Are used to ask for specific information. They usually start with W or H and are now as W5 plus 1H. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. The purpose of question words help us gather information clearly, communicate effectively, start meaningful conversation, understand answers better. Okay, next slide 5, the 5W and 1H concept. First, word function example. And 2, who person, who is your friend. 3, what thing, what is your name. 4, when time, when is the meeting. Okay, next, where place, where do you live. Next, why reason, why are you sad. Okay, the last, how mission, how are you today. Okay, next, slide 6. Who asking about people. Meaning used to ask about a person identity a role. Example. First, who is your teacher? 2, who helped you yesterday? 3, who made this project? Okay, next, slide 7. Who more used to ask about the subject of an action, who called you? And 2, to ask which person, who among them is your brother? Use family and informally. Okay, next, slide 8. What asking about things? What 1. What is noise? 2. What do you study? 3. What happened here? Meaning used to ask about an object, idea, or action. Okay, next slide. What extended meaning? What can also be used for definition. What is love? Description. What kind of music do you like? And activities. What are you doing now? Okay, next slide. When asking about time, meaning used to ask about time or moment. Examples. When were you born? Example 2. When does class start? Example 3. When did you meet here? Okay, next slide. When additional notes, when refer to specific or general time, can be used with past, present, or future tense. Example: when will you finish your homework? Okay, that's for when additional notes. Okay, next slide. We're asking about place, meaning used to ask about a location or destination. Examples: 1. Where do you live? 2. Where is the library? 3. Where did you go last night? That's for we're asking about place. Okay, next. Where more examples? Where can show origin and where are you from? And next can show direction and where are they going? And 3. Can show position and where is the cat? Okay, so that's for where more examples. Okay, next slide. Why asking about reasons? Meaning used to ask for a reason or explanation. Examples: 1. Why are you late? 2. Why do you study English? 3. Why did they cancel the meeting? Okay, so that's for why asking about a reason. Okay, next, why extended use? Why is often answered with because or to plus verb. Examples: why are you tired? And because I didn't sleep well. Why did she cry? In to get attention. So that's why. So that's from why extended use. Okay, next slide 16. Which explanation? Which focus on a specific selection. It's different from what which in general. Example: what do you want to eat? And open choice. Which do you want? Pizza or noodles? And limited choice. That's for which explanation. Okay, next for slide 17, which asking for choice, meaning used to ask when there is a limited choice or option. Examples: 1. Which one do you prefer? Tea or coffee? And example 2. Which dress should I wear? Example 3. Which subject is the hardest? So that's all for which asking for choice. Okay, next for slide 18. Who's asking about ownership? Meaning used to ask about possession. Example 1. Whose book is this? And example 2. Whose car is parked outside? Example 3. Whose ID was that? The three example that's for asking about ownership. Okay, next slide. Whose usage in sentence sense always followed by a noun. Examples: whose bag did you take? Example 2. Whose phone rents in class? Example 3. It's so belonging or ownership. Okay, the example 3 for usage in sentences. Okay, the last slide. How? Asking about manner or way. Meaning, used to ask about the way something happens. Example 1. How are you? Example 2. How did you do that? Example 3. How does it work? That's for example asking about manner or way. Okay, that's all my presentation. That's all and thank you for watching. Bye bye.